Hello, and welcome to Daily English 10.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very useful topic for you.
That's right. We are going to talk about how to speak English in your daily life using simple, easy English in everyday situations.
Many students learn English from books, but they can be nervous to speak in real life.
That's a very common feeling.
So today we will give you simple phrases for real situations, like at the store or in a cafe.
Exactly. We want to help you feel more confident. Speaking just a little English every day is a wonderful way to learn.
Greetings.
Yes, when you see someone, you can say hello or hi.
Right. You can also say good morning in the morning.
Good afternoon in the afternoon.
And good evening at night.
After you say hello, a common question is, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
You can also say, I'm good, thanks, or not bad, thanks. It makes the conversation feel more natural.
Let's practice, Emma.
Okay, good morning, Alex. How are you?
Good morning, Emma. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm very well, thanks. See? A nice, simple start to a conversation.
Okay, what's next? Let's go to a cafe. Imagine you want to buy a coffee.
This is a perfect real-life example. To order, you can say, hello, I would like a coffee, please.
I would like is very polite and useful.
Another very common way is to say, can I have a coffee, please?
Let's do a quick role play. I will be the customer, you are the barista, Emma.
Okay, hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, can I have one large coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else for you?
Yes, can I also have one cookie?
Of course. So that's one large coffee and one cookie. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please.
Okay, that will be $5.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See? Just a few easy phrases.
All right, let's move to our next situation. You are at a store. Maybe you are shopping for food or clothes.
And you can't find something.
Right. First, you find a store worker and say, "Excuse me," to get their attention politely.
And then what do you ask?
You can ask, "Where can I find the bread?" or "Do you have rice?"
And if you want to know the price of something, you can hold it and ask, how much is this?
Okay, Alex, it's your turn to be the helpful shop assistant.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for a new t-shirt. Do you have this one in blue?
Let me see. Yes, here is the blue one.
Oh, it's perfect. How much is it?
That is $15.
Great, I'll take it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Another great way to use English every day is to talk about your daily routine.
Yes, talking about your day. You use the simple present tense. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then you can say, I eat breakfast, or I drink tea.
I go to work. I have lunch at 1 p.m.
You can ask a friend simple questions too. For example, what time do you usually wake up, Alex?
I usually wake up at 8 o'clock. I'm not a morning person. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I love the quiet morning.
Wow, that's early. See, we just had a simple, natural conversation. You can do this with your friends too.
Now, we want to talk about something very important, mistakes.
Yes, so many learners are afraid to speak because they are worried about making mistakes.
It is okay to make mistakes. It is normal.
Right. The goal of speaking is to communicate your idea. It does not need to be perfect.
Exactly. People are usually very kind and will understand what you mean. The most important thing is that you try.
So please, don't be afraid. Be brave. Every time you speak, you get a little bit better.
So, our time is almost finished for today. That's a great point, Alex. Now, let's talk about another common situation asking for directions. This can be scary for learners because you need to understand the answer.
Wow, that was fast. Let's do a quick review. We learned simple phrases for daily life. That's true, but even if you don't understand everything, people will usually try to help. You can start with, "Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?"
We practiced greetings like, "Hello, how are you?"
We learned how to order in a cafe using "I would like" or "Can I have?"
And we learned how to ask for help in a store with, "Excuse me, where can I find?"
And the most important lesson, it is okay to make mistakes. Just try your best.
So, your challenge is to try using just one of these phrases this week. Even saying hello to someone is a great start. You can do it.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English 10.
We will be back next week. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.